Alright, your cable comes out through the front here, through the forks, and it will go into the headlight bucket there. You can maybe see the horn connection. It looks like that goes also into the headlight bucket, and it will connect to some of these cables. The main cable goes back under here and around to the other side, and then comes back, and there's this group of connectors here, and they will connect to the ignition switch. And then the cable goes back. You'll see a connector here on the other side, and that'll connect to your ignition coil. Cable goes back underneath the rubber grommet, or whatever you want to call it there. Comes out. One cable goes down to the stator with your connections there. A couple of other cables come out of there. This one, it's got a yellow wire in it, so that goes to the rear brake switch, but they've folded it back, and I think the turn signal cables and the battery cables might be in that one. And then this one that goes back is again done over by somebody, but it goes back to the tail light, which is missing, of course, and so on.